Yo, 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 what's cracking, everybody? Welcome to Days Bros. I'm Dimension. I got my man Luce here,
Yo, cracking everybody.
and today we're coming at you with a brand new episode of Undisputed. And last episode, Luce won with the knockout, and I let him have it. It is what it is. What you gonna do? And I think Rocky Marciano is just his each punch he throws. If you paid attention, half his stamina was gone after one punch.
Right.
And I'm not even throwing heavy hitters. I'm just throwing jabs and things of that nature. So I think I'm just gonna play around and figure out who my character is and branch out. And then we'll play it in other classes. Because I've never played in other classes in Fight Night. Like I played in a couple of lighter weights with Tut, but not too much. But I'm gonna play as Joe Lewis. Lewis is gonna play as
Jack Dempsey.
I bet. And like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's jump into this.
What a fight we expect this one to be.
Good.
Both of these athletes primed and ready. Which one of these athletes is going to say, I can't take it anymore? Well done with that counter shot. A perfect counter lands. Nice slip to avoid the jab. Good counter punch. You're not going to see a lot of finesse and skills from this guy. He wants to bury his forehead in your chest and pound away.
Bury your forehead into your chest.
Whoa, Johnny. Oh, Joe Lewis just got caught.
Joe, get back! Get back, Joe! Hold your
It
ground!
appears they weathered the storm. How, I'm not sure.
What recovery skills they are. What a shot it was. Completely gone. I thought there's no
gotta
way
do
he's
some
going to
research
finish this
on
round.
this.
But look at that. Look at the movement. Look at the speed. Back on it. Like it never happened.
Back and forth they go in this round. The momentum continues to shift.
Skill for skill. Tap for tap. Just like a match made in heaven.
Joe, get back! What are you doing? Come on now.
Big whiff with the right hook. Caution is being thrown to the wind.
Joe, watch yourself! Just based off the gloves on Joe, looks like it's funny.
This round's still up for grabs with just 10 seconds to go. What do we expect to see here in round two? They've got all the momentum on their side after that last round. Let's see what they do here.
Todd, my motto is, if it's not broken, why change it? An excellent last round. Everything works. Wait for the reaction. Until then, keep doing what you've just been doing because you've won that hands down.
This counter puncher is going to wait for you to move first, and then will strike like a snake. Keep an eye on this guy.
You're fighting a counter puncher, you've got to dummy a shot. Make them react from that, then react then. I know it's hard to think that way, but counter punchers, they're watching your every move, that every switch.
Beautiful counter shot. They got out of the way of that right hook. Looking to land the hook. You can't make a mistake at the heavyweight level and not expect to be punished for it. Every time they drop their guard, they get caught. Which one of these athletes is going to be the first to go down? Good counter punching. They've got a big reach advantage here. Let's see if they can take advantage.
Todd, I was a fighter had an excellent reach, an unassuming reach. If you've got a good reach, just really befuddles your opponent because when they're out, they think you're out of range. Bam, you catch them with a jab. And if you catch them on the end of the jab, it takes and befuddles a fighter.
You know the scorecards are going to be all over the place in this one. And there's the bell for round 3. Coming off that great round, let's see if they can build on momentum here.
Todd, my motto is, if it's not broken, why change it? An excellent last round, everything works. Wait for the reaction. Until then, keep doing what you've just been doing because you've won that hands down.
Every time he throws a punch, a receipt is coming right back. We wanted action, and they are delivering. There's a counter shot. That jab misses. A perfect counter shot. That counter shot lands. Those counter punches have to hurt. Nice counter. Big shots from both these fighters. Got to be careful, though.
Perfectly matched. Skill for skill. Tap for tap. Now this fight will say, you know what, I'm just that notch above you. And so I've got to respect both of them. More than happy.
He misses with that straight left. That hook won't score. Joe Louis in trouble. Very close
Come on,
round.
Joe.
10 seconds to go. Here we go to the 4th round. This fight has been very one-sided. What are we going to have in this round?
Todd, my motto is, if it's not broken, why change it? An excellent last round, everything works. Wait for the reaction. Until then, keep doing what you've just been doing because you've won that hands down.
Beautiful counter punch. The straight right just misses. Oh, wait a minute. The Brown Bomber in some trouble. How did they survive that?
Come on, Joe.
Now they've got
Come
to
on,
wake
Joe.
up. They've got to get on
Wake
the back
up.
foot, clear the head a little bit, then jump back into it again. It's all about the hustle. Get back on it.
How about that time counter shot? Nice counter punch right up the middle. Hold that thought. Oh, and Joe Louis is hurt. He is hurt. No, we don't see a knockdown.
Ring Days now needs to steady the pace. Get the pace back to normal.
R1.
Whenever you
Not
get
throw out a
stunned,
lazy
press
jab in
L1
this
and then
fight.
you
You'll
got
get knocked out. Got out of the way of that right hook. Big swing and a miss with the hook. A very competitive round with 10 seconds left. On to the 5th we go. That round was complete domination. Let's see if we can shake things up here in this round.
Todd, my motto is, if it's not broken, why change it? An excellent last round, everything works. Wait for the reaction. Until then, keep doing what you've just been doing because you've won that hands down.
You've heard the phrase, finding a second win. I don't think I need to tell you which one of these fighters needs to find it.
What can they change? Can they slow the pace down? Can they hope to knock them out early? What can they do? They've got to concentrate and relax. Because you know what you can do in the gym, you can do it in a fight. They've got to relax.
careful for that receipt. It's always coming. Nobody home with that hook. Punch, counter punch. Oh, Joe Louis just got caught. It appears that the moment of trouble has passed, at least for now.
It's been a tough round so far. It's been a tough round. What do they do? What do they tell him when he goes back to the corner? How are they going to get through this?
He threw a punch and just got countered. Caution being thrown to the wind. Has to be careful for that receipt. It's always coming. Blocks that jab. Despite what the judges' scorecards read, there are no losers in this one. Here we go in the 6th round. After that last round, something has got to change.
They've had 1 minute to recover. Now they've got to bluff it. They've got to bluff it. They've got to come out now and style it out. Get on the back foot, jab, rest on the jab. Be smart and pop until your legs come back. Then put the pressure on.
You hear people talk about a boxer's chin. Do they have a good chin? Do they have a glass jaw? Those are questions that are being answered here tonight.
Work the body, frustrate them, take the mind off the chin, take the mind off protecting everything around that. Work the body, use tactics sometimes.
Hold on a second, Johnny. Did you see that? Jack Dempsey, oh boy, in trouble. And it appears they're out of trouble, at least for now. But that just goes to show you one clean punch changes everything. The Brown Bomber goes to the canvas. I think that will look even more dramatic in slow motion.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Listen to me. Are you okay?
Back on their feet, but how long will they stay there?
Oh, he can smell blood. Look at that. He's put in round one.
Down goes Jack Dempsey.
Damn.
Cue up the replay machine. I have got...
That was crazy. I didn't expect that.
3, 4. You all right?
They're back on their feet right now, Johnny. Do they go toe for toe or do they play defense here?
Go ahead, look at his corner, look for the instructions. They're telling him to calm down, make the most of the count, get up, breathe, and move, get behind.
This round could go either way. 10 seconds to go. One of the all-time greats, Joe Louis, is down. Cue up the replay machine. I have got...
1, 2, 3, 4. Are you okay?
And there's the bell for round 7. Last round was a disaster. What can they do here to turn this around?
2 knockdowns in that last round. There'll be sheer panic in that corner. What do? Do they throw the towel in? Do they let him come back out again? Because they know their fighters. It's like a lamb to the slaughter.
That jab doesn't score. And he wasn't ready for that counter punch. Nice counter shot. Big shots from both of these fighters. Got to be careful, though. That counter punch caught him clean. Joe Louis in trouble. The Hall of Famer Joe Louis is down. And look at that body shot. They couldn't have thrown.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Give me your...
Oh, you definitely son. Close.
Point the corner may have to intervene here because this fighter won't stay down. Whoa, did you see that? Give me just a second here, Johnny. The Brown Bomber in some trouble. Looks like they've shaken it off.
What
Can't
caught
tell if he's
sleeping on
blocking
the
his
job?
head or his
What
body.
you do, you step back, steady yourself, recompose yourself, then boom, back into it. But do not make those mistakes. This is the wrong place to fall asleep.
Oh, and Joe Louis is hurt. He is hurt. Looks like he's going to survive the round here, but just barely. They're the 8th round. He couldn't finish him off in the last round. Let's see what this has in store for us.
What a heavy knockdown. How are they going to come back from that? They staggered back to the corner. They've got to freshen them up, alert them again, get them back on point again. This round, they've got to coast around. Don't get involved. Give yourself another 3 minutes to get your head clear.
They hit like heavyweights, but they move like middleweights. Truly elite level stuff here.
I've never seen a fighter so fast in my life. How do you deal with this? You've got to hope they will out of steam.
These two fighters are made for one another. Incredible work rate. Catch and shoot. Look at the swelling and the bruising. They're going to take a look. They may stop this fight. So the referee says fight on. That's a lot of swelling. The referee taking a good look at it. Is he going to stop it?
Are you all right? Are you okay?
A little bit of a surprise here as the referee says we can continue.
See, this is the other aspect about this game that Fight Night I don't think had.
Yeah, that's it, right?
Right hook misses.
They might have. I don't know.
Very close round with 10 seconds to go. Joe Louis in trouble.
Damn, son.
Say bye, Bell.
No
You won that
surprises.
one.
We get a unanimous decision there.
Unanimous. You know what? Smart.
Fight is a fight.
Total
It was still a good
change of
fight.
styles to make-
Alright, yo, that was a good ass match. Hope everybody enjoyed that. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Till next time. Peace.